Meetings are an essential element of any organization, regardless of its size. They're where ideas are discussed, presentations shared, and plans are made. But the nature of workplace meetings is evolving, and it's time for many companies to start planning for a full-time hybrid workplace moving forward. Meetings aren't productive when technology gets in the way, and participants are often confronted with a variety of challenges when they want to present content to one another. Everyone's time is wasted when the meeting isn't up and running quickly. What end users want is a simpler, cost-effective way to connect to the room display that allows participants to share content from any device. Biamp was convinced there had to be a better way to collaborate, and we found it. Put simply, Modena is the easiest way for meeting attendees to collaborate with one another. Best of all, it's wireless. With Modena wireless presentation systems, just enter the room, sit down, wirelessly connect from your laptop or personal device, and start sharing. It's really that simple. You can start sharing to the room display with a browser and connect to in-room video conferencing peripherals wirelessly, such as cameras and Biamp audio solutions. And it gets even better. Everyone can take turns as the presenter to the room display and push content to everyone else's devices, including video. Every laptop, tablet, or mobile device can both share and receive content, making meetings more comfortable and effective. The Modena family is comprised of 3 products: Hub, Hub Plus, and Server. Modena Hub wirelessly connects your UC software with the room's AV equipment, enabling attendees to participate in remote conferencing without the need to touch or pass devices. These touch-free interactions result in safer, more hygienic meetings. Hub Plus offers all the same great features and capabilities as Hub, plus adds a wireless access point for easy guest connections. Modena Server is a wireless presentation device that extends the capabilities of Hub and Hub Plus beyond physical meeting rooms. It supports up to 7 virtual collaboration spaces per device, available anywhere in a facility via wireless network access. It supports screen sharing, content rebroadcast, multicam BYOM conferencing, and more. Beyond business meetings, another great use case for Modena is a classroom configured for hybrid learning. The wireless room connection and screen sharing provided by Modena Hub allows instructors and students to easily connect to a remote session from their personal devices without touching shared cabling or equipment. By giving the instructor the freedom to use their laptop wirelessly, it allows them to focus on the topic being discussed, not on the room's technology. Instructors can share content not only to a presentation screen, but to personal devices, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops in the room or remotely connected. Conversely, students can share content from their personal devices with the instructor and other students as needed, increasing efficiency. Modena is the easiest way for meeting attendees to collaborate with one another. Contact us for more information or a product demo showing how Modena can revolutionize meetings for your organization.